In this video, I will show you step by step how to join the Shein affiliate program and how you can promote it using Pinterest completely for free. So here you have a bunch of people that are doing similar things. For example, this one is with Temu and they are all doing affiliate marketing, and I'll show you how you can also do this. Here's another one. And basically, to get started, you want to go to Shein, and for some reason it's giving me the mobile interface right here, but you can also follow along on desktop or on mobile, of course. And you first just want to go and join the affiliate program. To do that, click on the three lines right there, and then here click on your profile. For me it's in Dutch, but here it says something like more services, and then here you have share and earn. If you click on that, right here you will get your link, and you can simply copy this, and now when somebody buys something through your link, you will make money. So you can see the details here. Now on top of you earning money, they will get a 10% coupon code, so that's a great incentive for people to sign up through your link. Now in the current rules right here, it says that you, for every single person that successfully registers through your link, get a 15% discount on your orders. So that means that you can get huge discounts by just inviting a few people. So now just go back to the homepage of Shein and find a product. Now it doesn't really matter which one, as long as you think that it would kind of work on Pinterest, because that is where we will promote it. For example, this one right here could work. So this is a pretty nice image. And then what you want to go and do is just click on the image. And now here you want to go and take a screenshot of the nicest looking image. For example, I'll take this one. So just take a screenshot of it, then go to Pinterest and click create. Now here just upload that screenshot that we just took. And then for the title, take something similar that it says on Shein. So for example, 10 gold bracelets from Shein. That's important that you enter this right here. And then in the description you want to write, you can order this, whatever it is for you. So in this case, it will be these bracelets. So something like you can order these 10 bracelets for only then the price on Shein through this link. Then enter your link and also add it in the link section. Now here it says they blocked it since the link may lead to spam. You could choose to go to bit.ly, which is a link shortener. And then here you can enter the link and then, for example, Shein sign up. Now this one was already taken, so you can just figure something out. So for example, you have this link, bit.ly Shein sign up. And if you enter that, then it does work. Now for the board, just create one or pick one. Now for the topic, I'm going to say bracelet. And for example, jewelry, gold jewelry. And then in the description of your pin, you want to say something like this is an affiliate marketing pin. If you make a purchase through my link, I will get a reward. Now you can also mention that people can get 10% off by signing up through your link. And you could also mention that if people sign up through the link, they then have to search for the product name to actually find it. Because unfortunately, Shein doesn't have specific product affiliate links. It's just a general sign up link. But for you, that's not really a problem, because if people sign up, then you will earn a commission. But you could also tell them where to find the actual product. Now under more options, you can also allow people to comment and show similar products. And once you're done, just go and publish it. And now what will happen is that eventually this pin right here will rank in the Pinterest search, at least if you have some good keywords. So this one is 10 gold bracelets from Shein. Now if someone searches for gold bracelets, for example, Shein gold bracelets, you can see this is something that people actually search for. Now, if people go and search for it, they may just find your pin, since it's very similar to these ones that are already here. Now you can see the first one here, for example, this is from Shein themselves, but you can see they also have the link right there, and you could also do that. So many people are actually doing that, and this right here is a very similar image to the one that I just published. But this is how you can make money with Shein affiliate marketing. So you just want to do this a bunch of times and find more products similar to this one or just entirely different, and find a keyword on Pinterest. For example, this one right here is for couples, it says. So then you could search for Shein couple bracelet. As you can see, it is a search term, and Shein couple bracelet you could probably pretty easily rank for, and then just add your link so that people go to the product through your link. So now you know how you can do Shein affiliate marketing step by step. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.